sir, this question is for you. Usually actors see people and learn from them, like they observe a character and then they inhabit some characteristics and then they get influenced for the role. So basically you are playing a homosexual character. So what was your research for that? How did you research on it?
First of all, let me tell you, there is nothing called homosexual character. And there is nothing called heterosexual character. So let's have a clarity on this, because homosexuality or heterosexuality, they don't break or make a character. That's just a sexual orientation. We focused on the circumstances that Professor Sears was living in, his backstory, where he came from, which city he came from, what must have been his childhood, what must have been his relationship with his brother. His family was completely against him, so they disowned him, they didn't speak to him. His love, his vulnerable points. So you look at a character from every angle and you note it down on a piece of paper or in your mind, and then you start working on it. What I have done, I don't look at, I keep observing people. I have a habit of mimicking people. But when you are approaching a role, you're trying to look at the role through yourself, through your own personality, through your own advantages and disadvantages. Each one of us has everything, every element. You just have to be very honest in looking at those elements and accepting it that yes, it's there, but the degrees may variate. When I'm playing a very bad guy in Tevar, I'm focusing on that guy, somewhere I'm trying to find him inside myself. Yes, the degree is less, but I have to make it larger. I have to project it in a larger way. I try to understand characters through myself.
Sir, this film is available free on Eros now. Don't you think it will affect the business of the film?
No, it will be available free after Eros makes its money. Not now. It will be free after. See, Eros now is a platform like you have Netflix and other video on demand platforms. So it is a video on demand platform on which you can stream the film live. But that will happen once the film is released and it is ready for release on Eros now. So, no. I wish one day I could, make films that go straight to Netflix and you can see it on your phones, on your laptops, on your iPads, and you will also pay for it. So that day has yet to come. The problem is we are used to getting all this content free.
What do you have to say, any of you, what do you have to say about the portrayal of gay people in other mainstream Bollywood films, say Kal Ho Na Ho or Bol Bachchan, exaggeratedly effeminate? What do we say, what do we do when we watch films like that?
I think we have this whole don't ask, don't tell policy at homes. So even if you have questions about your sexuality while you're growing up, there's nobody to answer it, especially in India. Because if you ever tell your mother that you have such feelings, it will be like all hell will break loose. I went through that. Oh my God, you're never going to get married, you're not going to have children, it's the end of the world. So the thing is, we keep it all bottled up. So when you bottle it up, you bottle up something that's your truth. What happens is, it explodes. It comes out in ways that, unplanned. So how do you express it? You express it by ridiculing it. You express it by these sex comedies that came out recently where, there are gay characters, there are dry humping other men on, daytime TV. So it comes out like that, or in, what do you say, Dostana. you know, where the two male characters, if they play gay, then they have to only talk like that, and everything has to be so exaggerated, and that means that they will hit on every man, you know, and that's so not true. You know, we're all we're very similar, we mirror each other, heterosexual, homosexual people. I am in, oh yeah, we're not alien beings. You know, I've been in a committed 9-year relationship, you know. I don't hit on every man I meet. I don't cheat on my partner. I mean, it's down to your values, basically, you know. So I feel like these portrayals have been happening because people are in closets of their own.
I think the discourse about intercourse has to start now. and as I said, there will be comic portrayals, there would be funny portrayals, there would be people who will go and watch these films also. Okay, but in the end, I really wish that we come to a time when you have a film that has two protagonists, both of them are men, and both of them are in love with each other, and one is Hindu and other is Muslim, and they say कि यार ये Hindu क्यों है, ये Muslim क्यों है. So I mean to say that this is only one of the many issues that we have, and it should become one of the many issues. As of now, it's like this LGBT issue, मतलब ये लोग को sex करने का आज़ादी चाहिए. I mean, if really I want to, any one of us want to do something, it doesn't criminalize homosexuality. I'm gay and I'm out, he's gay and he's out, and we are not, no one can come and jail us because we are gay. The only thing that can happen is we are supposed to be gay, but we are not supposed to have sex. Okay, so, and that's only not for gay people, it's also for heterosexuals. They believe that only peno-vaginal sex is what is legal and everything else, but sex kiya to bachcha hona mangta hai. Nahi to it's considered illegal. So, and you all guys know that that's not true. You have sex for recreation also, not just for procreation.